I have a Honda CR-V. It's a 2005, and replacing the timing chain, I already put it. I'm going to show you the markings that you need to have. Okay, you see that little dot right there? You see that these two right there are like black, blue type of color? Okay, and there's the little mark right on the bottom. And over here, there's 4 marks, you see? That one is marked already. And then on in the bottom, you see those 2 lines right there? Boom, even. Now let me show you on the bottom. Very simple. You see? There's an arrow right there. Arrow lining up with that arrow right there. Perfect. Over here, there's a dot. You see it's a different color? Well, there's a dot on the specular inside. So that's how you do it. You put it right there. Tensioner already, the pin I already pulled it. Chain is tight. It's perfect. I did the head gasket on this Honda. Just put a new head gasket. You see it right there. Everything already tied in. But yeah, that's how you put the timing chain. That's the timing chain marks. That's all you gotta do. Arrow right there, facing up. Dot right there. Dot right there, facing up. 2 colors between. 2 colors between, you see it? You see the little dot right there, right between? Put the timing chain cover right here, this thing. Perfect. She's on time. Everything is set perfect now. Just gotta continue to put it together. All right, so that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. This is Michael.